guys, so finally I am back in my YouTube channel with my intro. So, did you miss me? And if so, I'm back finally, late but not the least. And today I'm back in my channel with one of my favorite recipes, that is Momo. So, Momo lovers, come on, let's not waste our time and explore this recipe. Go fast! So it was chili veg momos. Yes. So basically, this momo recipe video was for all my office staffs, those who say that always non-veg, we are veg people, bhai. Kuch to veg bana do. So for them, because they are also momo lovers, and yes, not to be sad, we chicken lovers can also make that version of chili veg momo, which is coming from Wow Momo. I took the recipe and tried to make it home for me and for you all to enjoy. Save it, like it, share it, and comment.